Hello friends, in this video we are going to create REST API to get customer address. Let's go to the code. We're going to customer address. So let's make the get address API. Let's change that we are changing for all the things. This one. So this is we have already created. Let's remove the custom helper. Here also customer custom helper. Custom session construct. This we need to remove. Sorry, what happened? Why? We need to remove. I remove this. Connection default. Directory region country user ID. We need to pass the user ID. If user ID customer session get ID. Okay. We are using the current address. All addresses. Default shipping address. Then we are making whole array. First name, last name, street, load address, country ID, get name. We need to get the country name also, so we are using this over the much this getting the address called country region. So this table we are going to getting the country region, the table region, country name, load addresses, country ID and all. Default billing shipping 1 and 0, whether it is shipping or billing. So we are getting the address region from this connection. Select the region ID table, so getting the region ID and the region, and get the default billing address and their IDs, and default shipping address and IDs. The customer address we are just putting into all together, and we are returning all the customer addresses. Okay, so here we if it is not, then it says address not found and the session logout, and then we are doing this. So this is the full API for to get the address of a customer for a session. So let's check this code. Okay, so I hope everything that I have already checking and all. So you will get each and every array formatted for the front end developer. Okay, so let's move on to the compile code. Create command. This command's already run. Let's move to the URL. What's the URL? This is what URL we are getting? Get address. So let's go and add get address. Can we hit it now? No address found because user ID is not there. So let's add user ID equal to 1. See, current address is we are getting this address, and this is the address that we have. So it return all the address we have. Let's add one more address and see the address is coming or not. This is default shipping and billing address. Let's add one more address to our account. So here already one address is already there. Manage address. Add new address. From adding the street address, testing to for test. Company name, city, Chandigarh. So first of all, select is India. And here we will select the Gujarat. Here we select Chandigarh, and here we select 1 2 3 4 5 6. Phone number 777. You use this as my default billing and sharing, and save this address. Address is safe, so we have one more address. So let's hit this APR, and what we get. So all address object, but my current address is that one, that is have the default address, default shipping and billing. Now it's going to be 0 and it's going to be 1. So this way we can return all the customer addresses to the front end API, so we can manipulate things that this is the addresses. They can edit and delete addresses. We are taking on the next one. So for the next part you have to wait for it. Hope you will like my videos. If you like, then please do like and comment that this is nice video and something like that, so that I will be motivated on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I will drop step by step the code, so that you can write also the code step by step. I will just do this part. So some of the persons said that the picture is not clear, the video is not clear. So I will add each and everything over here, so that they can add each and every part. Okay. So this is the full source code. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Thank you.